Tired of losing track of your precious time and wondering where your workday went? Let's dive into how to master time tracking with Clockify. First, the classic timer. Click the big, friendly timer tab. Describe what you're working on in the "What are you working on?" field. You can also add a project and tags to better categorize your time. Once you're ready to start, hit that start timer button and watch the clock tick. Maybe you forgot to start the timer, or you need to log time after the fact. No problem. Head over to the manual tab here. You can enter the start and end times, or the duration of your task. Again, be sure to add a description, project, and tags for clarity. Want something even easier? Explore Clockify's automatic time tracking features to set this up. Navigate to your profile settings, find the automatic time tracking section, and here you can set up different features such as which apps to track or idle time threshold. The settings here can help you passively track how you spend your time without even starting a timer. Once you've been tracking time, the real magic happens. Clockify generates detailed reports showing where your time is going. Use these insights to identify time-wasting activities, optimize your workflows, and boost your overall productivity. Now go forth and conquer your schedule.